Hi, in this tutorial I will show how to create Maya Fresnel surface shader. So let's get started. I will create Fresnel surface shader just like this. See, first go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cube, scale the cube to make just like this. Now go to mesh, click smooth it 4 times. Now select this, go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Now go to deform, click texture deformer, open attribute editor, press Ctrl plus A to open attribute editor, select direction normal, click on this texture color checker box, select noise, change noise frequency, just slide the slider. Now select this, press 3 on your keyboard to see the smooth shape. Now click on this hypershade window. Click on this color checker box. First, click here, select shader, take AI standard surface shader material, put it here. Now press tab key on your keyboard, type ramp, take ramp texture, select the 2D texture and press delete. Now again press tab key on your keyboard, type simple, take sample, take sampler info node. Now go to Windows, General Editor, open Connection Editor. Now again select the ramp node, click reload right, select facing ratio, connect it to the V chord. Now open hypershade window. Connect the out color to the AI standard surface 1 to base color. Connect just like this. Now minimize the window. First select the AI standard surface shader. Specular weight make it 0. Go to Arnold light, click sky dome light. Go to Arnold, render and see the effect. See. Now open hypershade window, select the ramp node, slide the black hair and the white hair. Now again open the hypershade window, select the AI standard surface shader, middle click on this ramp node and drag it to the base color. Again go to Windows, viewport, minimize the viewport, put it here, click on this shaded mode, just middle click on this AI standard surface shader and drag it to the viewport. Now again see, render and see the effect. Now go to Hypershade window or just click here, go to Hypershade window, select the RAM node, change the RAM color, you can make it red, click on this texture icon, color textured icon, again render and see the effect. See, you can change the color whatever you like. See, make it blue or which color you like. This is how you can create Fresnel shader in Autodesk Maya 2020 with the help of AI standard surface shader. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.